let us look for the snakes and we see. Yes, here there's the Egyptian cobra. Let us come this side and we see. Here it is. Guys, do you see this snake? It's called Egyptian cobra. Okay, there it is. So please like the video there. It is sleeping. It is sleeping. Oh, waliwo emisota emirala. Guguno. Yeah, let us go the other side, guys. Huh. African rock python. Okay, here it is. African rock python. Let us go and see it. Is it there? Oh, there's that one. And there's that one also hiding. That one, I hope you can see it. You see, there's also another snake. It's here. Whew. You see? See how? Want it? Okay. Let me come. You see, this one is pearl. Guys, just stay tuned. Please like, subscribe to my channel. And I sent a little chili. The python is here. It is sleeping. And another one is there. There's one there behind that palm tree. There's one.